Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a monthly reading for the sign of Cancer. This is going to be a general reading. This is for the month of October. And please take what resonates and leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So, Cancer, let's get into your reading. Let's look at your overall energy for the month of October. Your overall energy is the Ten of Cups. So this is an energy of a happy family. This is an energy of love and emotionally fulfilling month. Okay, a lot of emotions, a lot of love. You spending time with your family. You spending time with people you love. So it's a very beautiful energy here. Why is the Ten of Cups here as your overall energy? Yeah, you're moving towards something new. You're moving towards you're taking the next step in your relationship. For those of you who are dating, I see maybe there's a more serious commitment coming in, or if you're already married, maybe you're planning to have children, kids. So there is a moving up in your life, like you're ready for the next steps. Okay, and I see you taking those next steps in your relationship. Let's look at your past energy. In the past, we have the Ten of Pentacles, which is again an energy of stability. It's an energy of abundance, family, inheritance. So I do see this being a constant theme for you. There is a lot of love here between you and somebody. This could be your partner. This could be somebody you want to be married to. This is something very serious, very long term. The Empress is here. So the Empress is an energy of fertility, of growth. Again, like I said, some of you decided to have a baby, and maybe there is a news of pregnancy, or you're hoping to get pregnant very soon. So let's see, what is your current energy like. In the current energy, I see Eight of Pentacles. You're very focused on your work. I see you focusing on something. Could be work, could be career, could be your relationships. I see there is somebody here, King of Cups, Scorpio energy. There is a new beginning here. Okay, maybe this is someone someone else coming into your life, like, because this looks like a very new beginning, a new start, somebody exciting that you're meeting, especially if you're single. Okay, and if you've always wanted to have like a very, if you feel that you're ready to date, and date in a very serious way, where you want to have a family in the future, that kind of a thing, then I do see you meeting someone. This person is very mature, very emotional. Maybe you're meeting this person through work. Now, if you're already in a relationship, maybe this is somebody like a friend, okay, or somebody interesting, like a crush, maybe. So let me see, what is because you're taking a leap of faith towards someone, okay, and this could also be that you're meeting someone while working, or while traveling, maybe. So let's see what is in the future for you. In the future, I see the Knight of Cups. So again, a lot of romance, a lot of love messages, romance, romantic situation. You've got the Six of Pentacles here. I see this romantic gesture being reciprocated. Nine of Pentacles is here. So again, I feel that this is somebody, who's single, maybe who you really admire, someone who's very well to do, and I feel that if you have feelings for this person, that this person is also reciprocating their feelings for you. Okay, now let's see, what is the biggest challenge for you in the month of October. What is the biggest challenge? Six of Wands is your challenge. Why is Six of Wands a challenge here? Because you've got the Ace of Cups. Why is this a challenge? You're feeling very stuck. You're not very sure about this, or you're feeling like you don't know if you want to take this forward. There is no action being taken because you're feeling very helpless for some reason. There is a new beginning in love here, but it looks like either the situation is stagnant, or you're feeling very stagnant and stuck. Now, again, if you're already in a relationship with somebody, maybe this is a dilemma for you because there is somebody new and you are interested, or there is some kind of a romantic feeling that you have for this person, and maybe you feel that it's a tricky situation because you're already with someone else. So there is this energy of walking away, or you feeling, or you having to think about why are you feeling this way. Okay, because if you're in a very happy relationship, if everything is going great in your current relationship, why are you attracted to someone? It's okay to be attracted, but I feel it's a little bit more than an attraction, where you are kind of thinking about taking a chance with this new person, taking things forward maybe with this new person. And because this new person is also reciprocating, you're feeling rather stuck. You're feeling very unsure, like you don't know what to do. So you're kind of contemplating on why are you even considering this. Okay, if you're already in a relationship, what is making you look at someone else when you have the same things with you, in your life. So I see that dilemma. Now, if you are completely single and if there's somebody new coming towards you, maybe you've just walked away from a relationship, or you feel unsure about a commitment at this time. Maybe you feel you're not ready, or there's something that's holding you back. So what is the advice here for you? The advice here is the Seven of Swords. So there is some, again, I feel that you're running away from some truth. Maybe there are some underlying issues in your existing relationship that you need to deal with, and the universe is asking you to deal with those issues and not run away from it, because I think that is where the answer lies. You're kind of feeling, maybe there's a sense of boredom, or there's a sense of lack of excitement in the current relationship, and that is and there is this temptation as well, and you're feeling very tempted to take that risk with this new person. Okay, Eight of Wands. The universe is asking you to keep your communication open, openly communicate, and don't hesitate to speak your mind. Okay, because somewhere I think there are some underlying issues maybe in your current relationship which you need to address, because if you keep ignoring that, maybe this is going to make things a bit more difficult for you. Okay, so what is the hidden factor here for you? Hidden factor for you is the Seven of Pentacles, an energy of waiting, an energy of waiting for something. Yeah, not sure of your decision, like you're juggling between two options, thinking about the weighing the risks. Okay, weighing the pros and cons maybe of a situation. The Emperor is here. You could be dealing with an Aries, but you're kind of trying to weigh, like, what if I do this, what happens? What if I do that, what happens? There is some kind of a shocking change. Okay, some kind of big realization maybe, or something that's coming out. Okay, unexpected. So let's see what is the outcome for you for the month of October. The outcome is the Three of Swords. So, whatever this is, it's triggering you to deal with the issues that are, the underlying issues in your current relationship. Or if you are, again, like completely single, then you're forced to look at what is preventing you from going forward. There is some kind of a heartbreak that I see here. So either you are very disappointed with the kind of, because you were not expecting this to happen. And maybe I see a kind of a confrontation, or maybe a sense of realization that is making you a bit sad, because you are now finally facing the truth, the reality of a situation. Either you're not happy in your current relationship, which you thought was going well, or you have a communication, you have a dialogue with your person, and you're realizing that there is something that is not right. Okay, you're trying to bring balance in a situation. You're trying to be fair, you're trying to kind of be fair in the situation. um, again, I feel that some of you are married and you've been married for quite some time, but there are underlying issues which you have either over a period of time just ignored or just brushed it under the carpet. And now, with this new person coming into your life, this is triggering a lot of those unresolved issues. Yeah, so you're at that crossroads. Okay, there's some choice that you have to make here. Um, and the choice is between your emotional and the practical side. So you're trying to decide what to do. You're looking at the future and wondering if you should continue being in the current relationship or you should go towards something new if you're not very happy where you are at. Should you take some other step, or you should go for counseling? So there's a lot of things to decide on. Queen of Wands is here. So, yeah, I think you are kind of finally taking that action. You're taking things in your control. And you are wanting to move forward. You're making a decision and you're not rushing with anything. You're being very slow and steady with your choices or with, the next step. So, that's a very mature way of handling things, I feel. Yeah, there's a judgment that you're trying to make here, okay, Cancer, and you're trying to decide if you want to renew something or end something. But this is a big decision that you have to make. I think some of you are still, you're trying to still avoid a major change, but definitely this does push you to think about what is really lacking in your relationship or what can you do to make things better there. Okay, so Cancer, this is what I have for you. I hope this helps and resonates with you. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available, and you can reach out to me on my email ID or my website. Details are on the screen and in the description box. Do like, share, and subscribe, and do comment. I do appreciate all your comments. It will also help me tap into your energy, and I will know if this resonates with you or not. And I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.